In this video, we will tell you about another command for creating dynamic slices in VEGA program. This command is called Creating Dynamic Slices by Polylines, Salami. There are a lot of workflows where this command is very convenient to use. We will see it on the example of creating break lines for this wall. The problem with drawing a wall or curbstone using a point cloud is that we do not accurately see the edge at the top, and the edge at the bottom is even worse. Typically, the bottom is either dirt or shadow, and it's very hard to find the break points. And we want to draw the polyline exactly on that boundary. Let's look at using it in this example. To make it easier for us to draw, we're going to change the transparency. Let's draw a polyline. This is a two-dimensional polyline drawn at the zero plane. It defines the direction of the slices. Let's run the command, Create Dynamic Slice by Polylines, Salami. We need to select a polyline and a point cloud. The slices can be created using the world coordinate system, a custom coordinate system, or the current view. Minimum distance between slices. Set the value to 2. The maximum distance between slices is 10. The number of steps between a value of 2 and a value of 10. Set the value to 8. You will see what this means a little later. And the width of the slice itself. Set it to 0, 1. The width of the buffer. Set the 2 points in the drawing. It looks like nothing happened. Let's look at our point cloud from the side. Let's change the transparency and run the Browse Dynamic Point Cloud Slices command. We see a large number of slices. By default, the command shows us the minimum distance between slices. The value is 2. By selecting the next option, we change the number of slices, increasing the distance between them. The maximum distance is 10. Now you understand what the parameter, number of steps 8 means. Select the desired distance between the slices. To make it easier for us to see the break points, we change the color from scan color to normal. Using the command to draw a polyline from a point cloud, we will draw a 3-dimensional polyline very accurately. We'll cover the details of using this command in another video. Notice that I'm now in the Draw Polyline command, and I can increase or decrease the number of slices by clicking Next or Preview to draw the polylines as accurately as possible. When we use this command, we can't make a mistake, and the vertex of the polyline will be exactly on one of the points of the point cloud. In the same way, we can draw a polyline on the top of the wall. Using this command, we can draw break lines along the surface of the ground, draw a contour inside a building, draw sections, and do many different topographic and modeling operations.